My Maytag refrigerator cycles on and off. Control panel lights turn on and off as well. It looks like and sounds like it is actually powering off and back on. Model number P2569VEM2.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is I look forward to helping you. This is a common issue. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you, thank you. The main control is having problems. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 full minutes to reset the electronics. If no change when plugged back in, the control will need to be replaced. In the diagram at the link below, number 35 is the control you will need. It is mounted on the back of the cabinet. Click here. The link below is to the part you will need. Click here. All connections simply unplug and plug in, making for an easy repair. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kelly.
You are very welcome, thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.